Prambanan is a 9th century Hindu temple compound in the Special Region of Yogyakarta, Indonesia, dedicated to the Trimūrti, the expression of God as the creator, Brahma, the preserver, Vishnu, and the destroyer, Shiva. The temple compound is located approximately 17 kilometers northeast of the city of Yogyakarta on the boundary between Central Java and Yogyakarta provinces. It is characterized by its tall and pointed architecture, typical of Hindu architecture, and by the towering 47-meter-high central building inside a large complex of individual temples. Prambanan Temple compounds originally consists of 240 temple structures, which represents the grandeur of ancient Java's Hindu art and architecture, also considered as a masterpiece of the classical period in Indonesia. The temple compound, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the largest Hindu temple site in Indonesia and the second largest in Southeast Asia after Angkor Wat. Prambanan attracts many visitors from around the world.